Hey everyone, just going over a trade recap from this afternoon's trade. This particular trade running up here. If any of you guys trade the Fractal model, this was a textbook entry, a textbook trade, and just want to go over this real quick. So I'm on the 3-minute. I'm looking at the 30-minute candles on the right side. You can see we've got the beautiful sweep on the 30-minute candles, and we've got this close inside. This is the ideal setup that I like to see. Sometimes the candle will close down here. You'll still get the sweep, but you got a little bit of it hanging on down here, and sometimes you have to wait to see what the next candle is going to do. But when it closes like this, I mean, to me personally, that's just high probability. That's a get in and go. And so today was a beautiful trade. I'm on the 3-minute. I actually took my entry on the 1, but I want to show the 3 just because of how clean it is. You got the fractal sweep here. You got the fractal sweep on the lower time frame. You can see it intersects this candle here, which is a part of this set, which is your order block there. There's your order block entry. There's your change in the state of delivery plotted. And then you can either let the indicator do it, or you can plot these yourself. And there are the projections from there. And you can see we've kind of dug back into, I'm gonna jump up to the 15. We're digging back into this 1 hour. Huge 1 hour fair value gap here. We got a 4 hour in there along with it. But dropping down to the 3, you can just see how beautiful that was. I mean, a great 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5 if you had stayed in it up here. You know, kind of going along with the fib projections here. I'll also talk about the drop that I was able to get in earlier today. That was this morning's crazy drop with NQ. And I'm going to go into why I jumped on the train here. I'm going to zoom out here. Just going to get the chart set up. During the 9:30 opening, I've got multiple monitors, and on those monitors, I have multiple time frames displayed at the same time. I've got the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15, and then I will toggle back and forth between the 1 and the 3. And I'm glad I had it set up this way as usual like that. Once 9:30 opens, once the dust settles, I'll condense everything back down. But this is a reason why I do that. If you look at this 1 hour candle, again, I'm blowing it up here real big. You can see how it swept this previous hourly candle here. We also swept the high right here. Again, I'm on the 1 hour chart. If we jump down, or I guess go up rather, to the 4 hour chart, you can see how it came up and swept the 4 hour as well. Again, this is all happening right away, right at 9:30. And so I'm going to scroll back to the 3. And when all that went down, I jumped back on the 3, waited till it passed what would be my change in the state of delivery area. Once it got past that, I just went ahead and clicked execute, got in the cell, set my stop loss up here, and wrote it down. And my exit point was, I think, somewhere right around here. I didn't stay on long because, again, I didn't know if it was going to whiplash and come back up or what was going to happen. Because, again, this hourly fair value gap was not created at that time. It was created on this drop. And so for the rest of you that stayed in this drop, I mean, hats off to you, because this was a beautiful run. I just got a piece of the drop there and got off the train, and then was like, you know. But again, you never know what the market's going to do, so I was playing it safe. But that was my reasoning. That's why I look at the higher time frames, guys, and keep my eye on those, because this is one of those rare times when I got in right at market open, kind of took a chance, set my stop loss, and it did play out. So again, that's why those 1 hour, 4 hour time frames are so important. I used to be one of these traders that, you know, I was so focused on the 1 minute and so focused on the 3 minute, and it just really changed my trajectory with trading. It changed the way I trade. It changed everything about me trading, period. Once I was able to open my eyes to the 1 hour, 4 hour, I mean, even the, you know, the daily, the weekly, going up from there. So anyway, but like I said, just wanted to get straight to the point, short and simple on this. Beautiful fractal model entry right there. You got your T-spot here ready to go. If you don't know how to mark this up manually, which is what I used to do. Oops, got the wrong tool here. it's top of the candle body, wick to wick here. You're going to get your 50%. And then since we're on the way up, we're grabbing from the 50% to the candle close. And I don't know why I did that there. This is what I meant to grab. The 50% candle close, come across, and there is your T-spot. That's how I used to do this manually all the time without the indicator. A little bit more work, but the indicator just makes it so nice because it just comes on there right away and boom, you're done. So anyway, just wanted to just show that to anybody that doesn't have the indicator, how easy it is to plot it. So again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Quick recap, short and simple, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.